Hi friends, this video shows how to download games in rest mode on PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, let me go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, set power saving. Under power saving, set features available in rest mode. Select. Here we have to enable this option. Stay connected to the internet in rest mode. Enable this option. Done. Then go back. Then under settings, go to save data and game or app settings. Select it. Go to automatic updates. Here we have to enable these two options: auto download, auto install in rest mode. Done. After this, PS5 will download games in rest mode. So this way we can enable that feature. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.